All right, we're going to go ahead and look at concept 14, rational expressions. So this one is not going to go away second semester. We're going to go ahead and hold on to this one here. So it's a good one to be here and try to get some help on. So let's go ahead and look at each of these and see what we can do. First of all, on this one here, we want to factor it because with multiplication, we want to factor things first so that we can reduce them all and make them all disappear. So we'll pull out a common factor of 6. I gravitated towards that because I thought, oh, once I pull that one out, I'm done. How beautiful. This one here, I can pull out both a 10 and also an x. So I want to pull out the whole thing that I can. So I'm left with what? 10 and an x. We want to pull them both out. 10x, I'm left with x minus 2. Here I can pull out a 40x squared. So lots of stuff. I'm left with just an x minus a 2. Oh, yay, those are going to disappear. And this one here, I can pull out a 16x squared. Sorry about that. And I'm left with plain old x plus 5. So isn't that fantastic? Let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger so you can see it a little better. So these are going to go away. And right now, and then my x squareds are going to go away. So I'm going to just rewrite this because all of a sudden I'm like, wow, there is just crazy mayhem going on around here, and I want to make sure I don't lose anything.
If you're still on campus, can you please make sure your attendance is submitted? Once again, teachers, if you're on campus, please check to make sure your attendance is on end. Thank you.
Isn't that awesome that that's now in my video? Cool. All right, so carrying on. So now I have this x that's hanging out of here, but I have all these numbers here. So I'm going to divide the 10 and the 40, which is going to leave me with a 4. I'm going to divide my 16 and my 4. That is going to become a 1. And I divide the 16 by 4, which will be 4. So now I have 4 over 6. And I'm going to reduce that to 2 over 3. So let me just backtrack here. Factored it all out. I got rid of some things. I rewrote it because it was just crazy all over the place. And then I just need to get rid of any common factors that I can throughout it. And this would be my final answer. Now, if you want to write 2x on the top and 3 on the bottom, that is fine too. They both mean exactly the same thing. All right, let's look at this one here. This one here, before I go all crazy and do this, I'd rather just reduce inside. You could do the 2 first and then reduce. Does not matter which order you do it in. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify inside here. I'm going to change the 4 and the 6 to 2 and the 3. I have 5 more up top of these than I did on the bottom, and then I have 4 more y's on the bottom than I did on the top. And then I'm going to square that. So what I would have here then is squaring this. I would have 2 squared is 4, x to the 10th, and then 3 squared is 9, and then y to the 8th. So let me pause it. Unfortunately.